When you're sitting there in your silk-upholstered chair making bets on Kentucky Hot Brown Day, here we go. It's Sandwich Dad and Sandwich Lad making a Kentucky Hot Brown. Got what appears to be the world's smallest leftover turkey here. Got some old-fashioned bacon, a tomato, and some French bread. Sufficient for a hot brown, so let's slice up that bread, butter it up, and put it in the pan. Get the bacon going as well. No-name butter into a saucepan with some flour. Make ourselves a roux. We've got the roux going. We can add a whole lot of milka, a pinch of salt, a bit of pepper, and some nutmeg. That might be too much. That's okay. Don't have pecorino romano, but I do have parmigiano cipifico. We'll throw some Swiss in there too. Why not? Our Mornay sauce thicken. The tiny turkey on the toast. Looks like Australia. Salt and pepper that turkey. Get your sliced tomatoes on there. Salt and pepper those as well. Why not? Mornay looks thick, so let's get the sandwich in a tinfoil-lined vessel and pour that Mornay over. It's a little thin, but that's okay. Pop that in the oven. No, wait! Put some more Swiss shiz on there and then back in the oven. Okay. Now that it's more or less hot and brown, we can get our nice strips of bacon on there. All right. I'd say that looks about right. This is a knife and forker, though. Could pick it up, but I don't want to mess myself. And the taste test. Pretty hard to fault this sandwich. Absolutely delicious. Thumbs up from Sandwich Dad. Dad and Lad, good day!